Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change prices in Shopify. Let's get started. So it's actually really simple. You just need to head over to your products right here, and then you can just select the product that you want to change your prices into. So for example, let's change the price of this product right here, which is a heel or a shoe. And in here, you can just scroll down. In here, you can see the description as well as the media, the variants, and all of that right here. You can see in here the price. So let's click on this one right here and let's add in here a new price that we want to add. So for me, I'll add 1,000. And after that, click on save right here. And then once you have done that, it will save the actual prices that you have input. So let's head back. And in here, you can also just change the price of anything that you want. You can also bulk edit it. You can click on this tick marks right here. And in here, you can actually edit that by clicking on this bulk edit that we have. And then once you have edited that out, you should be able to see in here the price as well. So for example, you want to edit it out, change 17.99 to 50. You can change that just like this. It will only take some few clicks in order to change this in here as well. So once you're done with everything, just head over and click on the save option. And that is one way or another way to create or change the price of your product. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.